the Wingham Secondary School for a general fire alarm. That's 231 Medill Drive between Victoria Street East and John Street East for a general fire alarm at the Wingham Secondary School, 231 Medill Drive. Attention Blyth, this is a information page and an information page only. Wingham is responding to a general fire alarm at the Wingham Secondary School at 231 Medill Drive. Again, this is an information page only. Attention North Huron Wingham Fire, please respond to 231 Medill Drive between Victoria Street East and John Street East. You're responding for a general fire alarm at the Wingham Secondary School, 231 Medill Drive. It's August 12th, 21:25:05.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Go ahead, car 3.
Car 3 acknowledges the page, and you can show car 3 responding.
Roger, car 3 acknowledge page, car 3 responding, 21:25:34.
Fire dispatch to car 3.
Go ahead, dispatch, car 3.
Roger. The alarm company is advising that key holder Jordan will be attending in 35 minutes.
Confirm that, key holder attending approximately 35 minutes.
Roger that.
Fire dispatch, North Huron car 4.
Go ahead.
You can show car 4 responding command vehicle.
Roger that, car 4, you're responding in command vehicle 21:28:38.
Fire dispatch, you can show North Huron Engine 1 responding. Charlie Bravo +4 belted.
Roger that, engine 1, you're responding with Charlie 4 plus belt, or Charlie Bravo +4 belted, 21:29:17.
Fire dispatch, you can show engine 6 responding. Foxtrot +3 belted.
Roger, engine 6 responding, Foxtrot +3 belted, 21:30:33.
Fire dispatch, North Huron car 4 is on scene. Nothing showing, car 4 will be investigating.
Roger, car 4, you're on scene, nothing showing, you're investigating, 21:31.
Fire dispatch, you can show North Huron Engine 1 arriving on scene. Charlie can stand, the command will be mobile.
Roger, engine 1, you're on scene, Charlie in command and mobile, investigating, 21:31.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, ladder 2 responding, 4 belted.
Roger that, ladder 2, you're responding, 3 belted, 21:31:57.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
We've gained access to the building, sending entry crew of Part 2 in to investigate.
Roger that, command. Access gained to building. You're sending an entry team of 2 into the building, 21:34.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead, Command.
We also have a burglar alarm going off here too. If you just want to notify OPP, we are on scene.
Roger that. Burglary alarm going off as well. Did you want the OPP to attend or just be aware that you're on scene?
That'll be, if you can make them attend and make them aware that we are on scene, you can also show a 360 in progress.
Roger that. OPP to attend for the burglary alarm. 360 in progress.
Third dispatch, you can show car 3 arriving scene.
Roger, car 3, you're on scene. Time is 21:38:38.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead, Command.
The second entry team entering the building prior to do a sweep of the second floor.
Roger that. The second entry team, par of 2, is entering, conducting sweep the second floor. It's 21:39:26.
Command, car 3. Go ahead, car 3, command. You have OPP on scene as well. Roger that, thank you. Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead, Command.
OPP on scene.
Roger, OPP on scene. It's 21:40.
Engine 6, call command. Go ahead for Engine 6. Engine 6, I'll get you to come up Victoria Street. You can stage at the hydrant. I'll use your manpower and I'll also take the tick off Engine 6 too.
Copy that. We'll be there in a minute. Our dispatch, you can show Engine 6 arriving scene.
Roger, Engine 6, you're arriving on scene, 21:45.
Command call Blythe Station.
Go ahead, Blythe Station, command.
Do you require any more manpower?
That's negative at this time, Blythe Station.
Roger that.
Entry 2, call command.
Go ahead, command, entry 2.
Just looking for an update and your location.
Here on the southwest wing, second floor, clean sweep, nothing showing, nobody present.
Roger that, Engine 2. I'm going to send Engine 6 crew up to meet up with you, and you can continue your sweep with the tick off Engine 6.
Roger that.
Entry 1, call command. Command, Entry 1, go ahead. Entry 1, I'm just looking for situation report.
of the Alpha Delta corner.
Roger that, Entry 1. So you have nothing found?
Yeah, Charlie, we have no readings as of far.
Roger that, Energy 1. Just do a sweep of the whole main floor, please.
Acknowledged.
Entry 1, call command.
Entry 1, command, go ahead.
I have the Foxtrot captain coming to meet you.
Alright, we are currently in the main gymnasium.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
Key holder on scene.
Roger, key holder on scene. 2151.
Command, entry team 2.
Go ahead, Entry Team 2, command.
We've completed a second-story sweep, found nothing. We have also met up with the tick holders.
Roger that, Entry 2. Just double back on your sweep now that you have the tick, please.
Roger that. Command, entry team 2.
Go ahead, Entry Team 2, command.
Exiting the building, par 4.
Bravo, call command.
Go ahead, command, Bravo.
Bravo, I'm sending somebody out. Can you get a pike pull off Engine 1 and meet them at the front door?
Yeah, roger that. You need a short one or a long one?
Long one. We're just going to pop a couple ceiling tiles around the alarm that's going off. Entry 1, call command.
Entry 1, go ahead.
Just come back to the main entrance, please.
Copy that, command. We'll be exiting bar 2.
Command, you can show entry team 2 exiting building, par 4.
Command, car 3. Go ahead, car 3, command.
Can you and car 4 meet me at the main corridor here, please?
Roger that.
Command, Engine 2, entering the building, par 3.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Just an update, command. We did reset the alarm. It is active again, so I've sent entry team 1 and 2 of a par 3 back in the building for a second sweep.
Roger, alarm has reset. You've sent entry team 1 and 2 back into the building with a par of 3, 220609.
Go ahead, Foxtrot command. Roger that.
Entry 1, car 3. Entry team 1, what's your current location? Confirm that.
Command, call entry 2.
Go ahead, entry 2, command.
We've done a walk through the second floor. Nothing's found. We get into almost every room except for a couple bathrooms. We are exiting the building par 3.
Roger that, entry 2, nothing found on the second floor. If you can meet up with car 3, he's going to grab the key and there's roof access on off the second floor.
Command, entry 2, we have gained access to the roof.
Roger that, entry 2. Fire dispatch, North Huron, command.
Go ahead, command.
We've gained access to the roof. I have a entry team of par of 3 doing a sweep of the roof.
Roger that, command. Access gained to the roof. Entry team with a par of 3 is doing a sweep of the roof. 22, 24, 55.
Command, call entry 2.
Go ahead, entry 2, command.
We have exited the roof. Nothing found. Caretaker has shut off the main HVAC to that trip sensor. Entry 2 has exited the building. Par 3.
Roger that, entry 2. Exit the roof, nothing found. Fire dispatcher, North Huron, command.
Go ahead, command.
All entry teams have exited the building. Nothing found. Presumed to be a faulty detector. Property's being turned over to key holder. Command terminated. All units clear. Return into the station.
Roger that. Presumed faulty detector. All entry teams have exited. Command terminated. All units clearing to station. Property turned over to the property owner. 22, 35, 46.